Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sophie. So excited as usual to be with you. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. So today we're just going to be doing a little bit piece of salmon for dinner. It's going to be done similar to how we do roast fish. So in a foil paper with whatever potatoes, corns, whatever we want to put in it. So it's going to be very simple. And so let's get started. So, of course, I'm going to make sure to include sweet peppers. So all the different colors. So I'm going to cut up the red one. Everything is already washed so that I'm not wasting time. So I'll just cut up the red pepper. I have my little bag that I put everything in the sink in. So afterwards I can just clean up. Makes it very easy. So we'll just start with the red pepper. And just your regular cutting, not an expert. So however it come out, as long as it tastes good, kind of thing is what I'm going for. So of course, we make sure we clean out all the little areas that we should. And then we just get to dicing up the pepper. Nothing fantastic. Just want little cubes. Not trying to make it so fancy. And we have the red peppers, and then off camera I'll do the other peppers, and then we'll get the salmon and have it ready for you. So see you in a second. So we're going to include some green beans as well. So just getting the ends off. It's already washed, and we'll include that in the foil paper as well. So that gets steamed as well. So stand by. All right, so now we're gonna prepare the salmon. Remember, is already filleted. Is a salmon fillet. So I'm making sure to put on my gloves. That way I don't have all this fish on my hand. All right, so I make sure I have my gloves on so I don't have that fish flavor on my hand. So see, 3 pieces of salmon. So I'm just gonna pat it for that extra water because I had washed it before. So pat drying it. And then of course I'm gonna just season with fish season. Well, you can use any kind of season if you want. If you want to do seasoned salt, you want to do complete, whichever one, whatever your flavor is, or if you want to make your own green seasoning with some onion, scallion, pepper, scotch bonnet, whichever, and then create your own. But for me, I'm just going with the regular fish seasoning. Of course, not a lot, because with fish it absorbs whatever you put on it. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of seasoning on there. And I should be good. So salmon seasoned. Gonna get my foil paper, put it in. But before I do that, I'm just gonna make the base that I'm gonna put it in. So I'm gonna use some honey, a little lemon juice, and I had gotten the sweet chili. A friend of mine made it with it, so I'm gonna test it with the sweet chili sauce, and then I'm gonna make that rub, and that's what I'm gonna put on there, along with the peppers that I'm stuffing in there, and of course some corn and the green beans. All right, so let me do that real quickly. All right, so I did the mixture, and what I did was honey with a little bit of the minced garlic, some of the sweet chili sauce, and of course the lemon juice. And all of that I just mixed and tasted until I got the taste that I wanted, which is this. So of course it's not spicy because of course Ava has to eat it. So it's not spicy at all, but it has the sweet and the sour, which is what I love. So that's what I'm gonna put onto the salmon now. So give me a second, let me just wash my hands and then I'll get ready to put it on the salmon. All right, so let's get our salmon ready. So of course, we have to do a little olive oil, but turns out I don't have any olive oil, but I have the olive oil spray. So I'm gonna spray some olive oil spray onto the foil paper. Get my salmon. So I just need 3 pieces. Get the salmon out. So I put it onto, let me make space so you can see it. So I put it onto the foil paper already sprayed. I'm gonna put a little bit of the sauce that I'd made with the sweet chili, the garlic, the honey, and the lemon juice, and I'm gonna put that on there on it. Of course, I'm gonna add all the other little items to it. So I have my red peppers, yellow peppers, everything that I love in terms of vegetables. I'm gonna put some string beans in there as well. A little bit of orange peppers too, nice and colorful, and a piece of corn. I'm gonna include a piece of corn on there as well. So I'll just put it on top. Make sure I fold. That way I'm not getting air to escape. Nice fold. Just like how we fold fish or roast when we're doing roast fish. But you leave space for it to breathe. And of course, I don't want it opening up on me. So I'll probably put another piece of foil paper on it. And that's what it looks like. And I'll just make the others and then we'll put them in the oven. Okay? Okay, so now all ready. So I'm going to put them in the oven, 350 to bake. And then once it's baked, I'll show you the finished product. So see you in a few. So we're done now. That's exciting. So we're going to take the salmon out. And remember, we did it like how we do roast fish. So here we go. I mean, it's very hot. So let's try this. Oh, look at the steam. Oh, yes. So it has the corn and the veggies in it. And dinner is served. I'll just plate it and then get to eating. So let me just get a little taste of it in the meantime. Oh, yes. And we have the sweet chili. So there we go. Good salmon. Very good. Very good. So final product. So this is the oven baked salmon. As you see, Ava is behind me because she wants to get her food done. So of course we have it with all the veggies, so she can get her veggies, the green beans, corn's her favorite, and a little sweet and sour. So it's got the chili, garlic, honey, and some lime juice. So it's really tasty. Try it at home. It's less than 30 minutes. And as usual, make it a great day, won't you?